Hello! In front of me I've got NOKIA G20. Today I'll show you all camera modes and settings. So, in the bottom bar we've got video, photo, portrait, night, and macro, time-lapse and panorama modes. So let's go to macro. Just a normal photo, but more particular. And we've got access to panorama photos. Let's go right here. If you tap here, you can choose photo size. Also, we can set timer for 3 and 10 seconds. And we can turn on motion or turn it off. The last thing in camera is flashlight. Both for rear and front camera. Let's go to settings. In here you can set shutter sound. You can turn on grid and location tag. You can manage haptic feedback, change data storage, set long press on shutter for video or burst shot. You can change mirrors for front camera, and you can turn on scan QR code. Also, you can turn on HDR and watermark. And the last thing, we can change video resolution. And that's all about camera. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.